All right, everyone. Looks like we are live. Everything looks to be going just right. Yep. Welcome back to the Unconventional Mindset. Oh, sorry, I feel really tired today. Anyways, yeah, welcome back. Today is Tuesday, and we're gonna jump right in, I think, to doing more building and designing our Webflow components, and for Pixel Pieces, which is our new template, or Webflow template and component library, which we are building, and in the hopes of building Pixel into a company that generates us $1 million in revenue every single year. That's goal number one. And then we'll work on adding a few more zeros to that number. All right. So all that being said, let me close down a few things that I have open here. I think I basically need to close everything. Geez, I got lots of junk open. Okay, we're gonna open up Figma, and we're actually, we're just gonna take a quick look here. At Pixel Pieces itself. Okay, so I think the ones that we talked about that we want to do yesterday we talked about ones that I want to update. We want to do like a benefit section, like the review section, and testimonials. So we only really have one of each. So let's change that. Let's get a few more. So I think we could maybe start in Figma, and it looks like we haven't even started designing any yet. So let's start there. So it's been actually a while since I've used Figma, so hopefully I haven't forgotten forgotten how to use this. Although I probably have forgotten a few things. Okay, we want desktop, and this actually, okay, what's going on with this page? I need to put this, oh, okay, this is in this page, right. Oh, I think that's how it works. Yes, right. So testimonials, and we'll just call this testimonial 1 for now. And I'm going to go back here into, this isn't testimonial, that's a, oh, right. I want to start with product review, actually. Let's go reviews. Let's add a new frame. Desktop. Okay. Product review. And is there anything that we want to look at to help us with generating these testimonials? We have all these things too as well that we need to put into Webflow as well under our UI elements, which we don't have yet. Tooltip, yeah, that'll be a good one. Yeah, our accordion. Breadcrumbs, right. Date picker, that's going to be good. Tags, progress bar, different ways to do avatars. Portal, I haven't done it. I haven't updated all my portals yet. Logos, right. Social media icons, right. Navigation, blog and news, hero sections, call to action sections, footer, right. So nothing too much we can get some inspiration from. So let's go again to our product reviews. So we have here, this is our basic product review. Let's zoom in a little bit here for you guys. Okay. So let's kind of start with this. Okay. So now we want to add an icon. Now I totally can't remember. It's been so long since I've been to Figma. I can't believe I'm forgetting all these things. Okay. So we have social media icons. We want to get like there's got to be, or actually just icons in general. Oh, right here. we want to find the star icon, which is right here, which is perfect. So if we can copy this, can we not? Oh, it needs to go here. Can we not paste it in here? We can. Excellent. And let's look for the hollow one. Let's copy that one and paste it here. What's going on? No, paste. I just want this one to be below. There we go. Okay, so let's change the fill. And this one here. Let's change this. There we go. We might not even do these stars for all of them. I guess it just kind of depends on how we want to do the rating system. Okay, so I'm going to, how do I copy one of these? Yeah, that's what we need to do. Okay. And let's get another one and another one here. Hey, Kevin, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. How's it going today? We're just going to have kind of a low-key day today, I think. Just chilling out, getting back into Figma for a little bit, and then hopefully actually designing these things. In Webflow, or building them, developing them. Yeah, feeling good. Did a run in the pouring rain to test out the new running rain jacket. Oh, nice, nice, awesome. It's always nice testing out new gear. Yeah, I love that. Awesome. Was it not too cold though? I hope. Like running in the rain when it's cold is like, oh my goodness, not the most fun. No, actually, no. My kids, my son never did Boy Scouts. You know, yeah, I do love the outdoors and camping and stuff, but yeah, he never got into Boy Scouts. That's a little bit of an interesting issue, not an issue, but yeah, my eldest son, he was diagnosed with autism quite early on. So there was just issues with him just going into programs like Boy Scouts and stuff like that. So that's kind of the reason why he never did Boy Scouts. But yeah. But I mean, if you've seen on the YouTube channel, I think it's on the pin video, whatever, our 2018 trip where, what was it? Yeah, we basically sold everything that we went, and we're going to travel all across Canada and United States and just do that and just tent it up and just travel around. Yeah, and that was an interesting trip that didn't go as expected. Which is one of the reasons we ended out here on the East Coast, but we'll save that story for another day. All right. Okay. Yeah. So product review here. Let's get text. Did I have anything about typography? I do. Okay. Now I totally can't remember. So. Oh, right. They're here. They're grouped here. Okay. Totally can't remember any of the stuff that we did. Okay. So we actually have typefaces for our headings. Typefaces, or these styles associated with headings. Okay. So if we go back, reviews. So if we type in, we don't have anything in here. This is a Product review. Actually, maybe we go. I love this product. It is simply the best. Okay, and then we can make this text. Where do we, right here, the text styling. What size? Let's make it maybe an H4. That's pretty big. Even just an H5. Okay. Okay, something like that. And we want to add the avatar, and what is it Control C? There's a thing to bring up like the search bar here. Or like if you're searching for like different components and stuff. Is that the right word? That's not the right word. What the hell? It's been too long. What are these things in Figma called? I think they're called components, aren't they? There's a search function. What is it? Or is it Control P? Yeah, Control P. There we go. No, that's not bringing things up. Resources. Here's what it is. Yeah, they're all called components. Isn't there a way to bring up something to search so you can search for the different components that you have available so you can just kind of copy them? Or maybe it's just in assets. Search assets. Right. So avatar. Right. And then I could copy this onto here, right? Right. And then in this avatar, I can change the different things. Okay, perfect. Right. That's what I wanted. I guess it's just going to the assets panel and searching there. Okay, good. Okay, and I guess we need a username. Mary Smith. Just a regular paragraph. Actually, maybe we can bold it. But that's a link. I guess maybe I can't bold it. Okay. Right. Reviewed by and then the date. What's the date today? May 5th. May 5th, 2020. Or May, what the hell am I talking about? March. March 5th, 2025. 2024. Okay. This one is actually just going to be regular. And let's add our little circle dot divider thing. Throw that in and lock it in place. Let's say 4 pixels, and we'll fill it with a neutral color. It's almost too neutral, can't see it. Let's go there. Okay, now, so we have our avatar, review, March. Now I got to remember all the auto layout tricks. I think it's Shift A. All right, and we're going to call this, what are we going to call this? Author and, or let's just call it actually, yeah, author meta. Okay, and have our distance there. Our line center, okay, that's good. All right, and then we'll put this also there and there, something like that. That looks good. Then we just need the body of the review. And do we have any dummy text? We have this here. And paste. All right. $700. Not a paragraph large, just a regular paragraph is good. Yeah, so that's a very simple review. Oh. What's the difference here? 20. Let's make it 18 and 18. All right, let's just also throw in a couple more stars just for 5. Okay. Okay, so I know this one's kind of just a duplicate of what we already have, but which is this one right here. But that's okay because we want to make this Figma file available to everyone as well too, which is something that I want to do sooner rather than later. It's kind of on the list of things to get accomplished. Okay, so I like it. Shift A. Let's go ratings, something like that. Put that up there. Then we got the title, the author, and then the text. Okay. These things here, can we ship them out? Okay. So let's make another frame. Oh, this is weird. Okay. Review 2. Actually, can we? I think we can just, can we duplicate that? Yeah, that's better. So then we don't have to start from scratch. Okay. So this is one thing that I'll say, is that I haven't actually done any thinking about these designs for actual reviews, like product reviews. And it's one thing that I don't think I've ever built a site that actually had product reviews. Well, except for bookmarked. So we have that. Let me see what I did there. I don't think there's too much. Yeah, there's not much here for reviews. Yeah, reviewed here. Some stuff over here. I can't get the book. Four stars or 4 bookmarks. Cool. This is the site that my wife and my daughter are doing just for fun. Just doing book reviews. Okay, so not much to go by there. Does it make sense to do a little bit of research on this? I'm kind of seeing what's out there. So what sites? I mean, obviously, like Amazon has product reviews, right? Right, so just here on Amazon, you got the stars on the side and then the actual text here, like the title, and then reviewed on the date. Yeah, with the icon on the top. Yeah, it's actually not too bad. It's not too bad. Yeah, we can even just play around with something like that. Yeah, let's just play around and see what we can come up with. So, I'm almost thinking, well, this I think was basically kind of what we just saw, sort of. But I think the icon was at the top, which I'm not that big of a fan of. So let's try something like this, but let's... oh, wait, can we copy? Can we paste it right in here? Oh, there we go. Beautiful. So let's go with the ratings. Let's throw one in here. Let's delete this one. Copy, paste a couple. No, undo 3, and then delete. Yeah, 2 out of 5 stars. This product is okay. What we'd say, missing something to make it special. Okay, lay that out. I think we can do something like this. I think that looks a little bit nicer. And then the review. Can we... how's that? I feel like, yeah, it's a little bit too distracting for the actual message. This might not be so bad here. Yeah, what does it look like when the title is longer? Yep. So that's a good question. Should it wrap or should it, I think what we would do, let's see, missing something to make it special. Let's have, this is actually a really long review title to see how the text should wrap. So but I think it should actually be this frame here. I think it would be something like this. Yeah, that does look terrible, doesn't it? Yeah, I don't like that at all. Yeah, title Under the Stars, most likely. Most likely. Under or over, I mean, it could be just the different variations. So what do we want to frame this vertically, I guess, like this. Okay, you can go down. Not bad. Not great either. Uh, 12. Let's see. What if we double the size? That's not bad. That's 12. That's 12. I wonder. Yeah, that's a bit better. Okay. So I'm going to probably just I might run through this really quickly in the sense that I'll create a few of them and then we'll kind of see what sticks and what makes sense. Because we don't want to just create them just for the sake of creating them. I actually want them to be good. So no, I'll create a new one here. I mean, we could even simplify ones where, say, it only has like a bigger title, almost like it's a quote from somebody. Where, yeah, we kind of have it like this. I can't believe that I waited so long to get my hands on this product. It literally is that spelled right? It literally is a huge time saver. Exclamation mark. Okay. This doesn't need to be fixed. Let's just, what is it? Not hug, but fill. Ooh. No, that's wrong. Is there a way? What is the way to have it so that the text responds accordingly, or the size of this text block just goes auto depending on the width? Or can I have that fill? No. Hug contents. There we go. No, but that still leaves this as a fixed width. Maybe that needs to be hug. Okay, there we go. But as soon as I move it, it becomes fixed. Interesting. Okay. Let's just do something. 400. What is the line height on these things? Yeah, they're 110. I feel like this needs to be 120. So let me unlink this for a second. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, can we take these out of this frame? Maybe take that out. Just delete this one. So I think we have the product, and then we have the avatar. What if we come out 32, maybe make that a little bit bigger, 48. And then, or maybe the star rating beside the avatar. I really should have sketched some stuff out beforehand. It's usually how I design things, but that's okay. So I know we want to have just the name. Actually, let's duplicate that. Lay it out like this. This almost looks more like a blog post, which is not kind of ideal. It's not the way we want in terms of the name, the avatar, and the date. Yeah, I'm not feeling that. Maybe it's just the name. It's just the name and how many stars. And maybe for this one, we maybe make the stars just a little bit smaller. Like 20. Delete, and copy. Actually, let's give this one 4 out of 5 stars. So this here, we are going to we got our ratings and author's name. Put that in the layout. Let's go. Oh, that's even way too much. And then these guys together. Yeah, that's not bad. What's this? An empty? Yeah, that's not so bad. Yeah, it's not too bad. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, I like it. I actually like that one. Very simple. All right, product review number 4. Wonder if there's any sense in putting the star systems or the star ratings below, like at the bottom. Don't know if that would look good. All right, let's think of something that's a little bit more simple. We can have, I love my new cool, geez, I don't know, product. That's pretty bad. So how do I get this back to being auto? I guess I can't. Like, what's constraints? Oh, there's this thing here. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. What's this button? Auto width. Yeah, right. Let's copy this here. All right. Yeah, I feel like putting your rating systems or your stars at the bottom of anything would just not be a really good idea. So I just want to, forget about the name here. Like if I just kind of throw these here at the bottom, I don't think that looks really, yeah, exactly. It's putting the actual thing that people want to see at a glance at the bottom, which is not ideal. Yeah, give the highest value info first. Wonder, I mean, even something like that. I do like the idea of having something like this, but then yeah, you get issues if your product title is too long. And then yeah, I mean, you can control the size of it in your application if you wanted to. I mean, I guess what we do is we just give users the option. I mean, if it's there, we just make it wrap so that it wraps below, and then either you can align the stars just to the top, so that way when the title wraps, it'll just stay up, or it could go into the middle or at the bottom. I mean, the user can decide, I guess. And if they want to limit the number of characters that somebody can have in their review, they can certainly do that. Because I really do love the look of just the stars and like the title. I think that looks really good. Shift A. Rating with title. Yeah, and if it wraps, then it wraps. I mean, if it wraps, it wraps. Yeah, this one's pretty simple. I'm all about simplicity. But again, I think I would love to do a little bit of outside the box thinking on these things. 24. No, that's too much. That's too much space. And from here to here. No, undo that. Yeah, it's not really like, well, it's kind of like a quote. Let's get a date in there for this one. But for this one, we're going to make it, let's unlink this. We're actually going to make it, should I make it smaller? No, I think I'll keep it the same. We're just going to have the color be actually quite a bit lighter, I think. And then we'll just say on the date. Mm-hmm. There we go. Yeah. Center all this stuff. These are with the smaller icons, I do believe. Yeah, these are 20 pixels wide. I actually like that. It doesn't have to be too huge. I wonder if, I don't think this would look good. But I'm thinking if we flip these, can we reverse these? Can you reverse order? I guess maybe I can just reverse order like this. What if you had it reversed, but we have a specific size, fixed width? You know, if we made it a little bit bigger, again, we're assuming that we're going to wrap the text if it becomes a really long title. And how do we want to space these like totally apart, right? How do we, oh, there we go. Just double click. And then everything's just kind of justified. Then you could draw maybe slightly more attention to the actual title of the review. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Yeah, we'll keep that as an idea for now. These are all just ideas. Probably going to sleep on these for a while, or at least for tonight anyways. Okay. Okay, is there any kind of product review like type or style that I'm not thinking of? Because I'm kind of sticking to the same framework where there's going to be stars, a title, a description, an author, and a date. Is there anything else that I'm potentially missing when it comes to people leaving a product review? Not even so much people leaving a product review, but it could just be somebody building a site. They're selling a specific thing and they're just going to put in, different things that other people have said about the product, not necessarily something specifically that someone's going to build that will allow people to leave comments. You guys are leaving? Okay, well, what time are you going to be back? 6:30? Okay, all right, have fun. Bye. That's my kind of almost deadline. With everyone's leaving and my daughter's here. I got to do some stuff with her. So yeah, is there anything that I'm missing? Trying to think of what website has like a product review. I guess, there's lots of them. Like, just take a quick look at Home Depot here. So you're going in, yeah, just give me a tool. Oh, can I just buy something, please? Drill in. Oh, drill in. I'm drill into the navigation. I'm looking at drills. Okay, that's pretty bad. Okay, customer reviews. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, with images as well, too. That's kind of cool. Thinking about how people could put in images on the review. 5 stars. This, I guess, the name of the person and then when it was done. And this is kind of interesting too, and kind of having a sort field. I guess this is where we're going to have the UI elements as a selection drop down. So people can use that to build. Although it would be really cool to have bigger types of components made available. So people don't have to bring in a bunch of individual things to build one thing. Like to have a pre-built, say it is a review section where there's lots of reviews that are already in there and then they're already like built in with sort functionality and stuff. That's almost like including all that FinSuite attributes and filters and all that. That would be kind of really cool. But then you also have to probably duplicate like a collection. I think that might be too much for what we're looking to do. But I like the idea of having images. That's actually a good a good thing to think about. Okay, so, whoop. Okay, we duplicated this one. Let's go, whoops. This one here, we want to go this way. Rating with title, move you guys here. Yeah, I think it'll be much beneficial for me. I totally forgot about this too when I kind of started my stream today. I was like, oh, I'm going to build some of these, these reviews and testimonials. But the thing is I think before when I was going, I was definitely doing a lot of pencil and paper sketches, which is always how I design things. I always come up with ideas first and just kind of sketch things out. So I didn't quite do that today before I came on. So I should definitely have done that, but I will do that for next time. Because this is just me kind of just thinking like raw, just what things do we need in these components to make it work. So yeah, just doing a lot of thinking. The only thing that I think we might want to put in is a place for images. I think we have everything that we need because we want to keep them simple. And I think people like to keep them simple. The title, the stars, the description, the data was taken on, and even the person. And maybe we can even throw things like verification. Like if the user was verified somehow, that would be kind of cool. Actually, you know what? We should do that. We should have like a verification. So let's get a check mark. Where's our check mark? There's this one, but that's not the one we're actually using. I'll use it for this, but I know we have a different check mark that we're using in our app. And paste it in here. And Alt. You can drag you in here. Okay. So we're just going to make this blue. And we are going to make it much smaller. Oops. Why is it not allowing me to go smaller? What is going on? There we go. Verified. I'll put you in with Mary. Align you center. Right. There we go. Verified user. Now it's just kind of playing around with where they should fit. should have a different color for this. Yeah, that's better. A little bit more breathing room. This one may be a little bit less. Oh, 24. That's perfect. Where can we put the date? I like having a date on this one, I think. Rating with title, ratings, verified user. I guess we can really just put it on the end here. Or we could even put it below. Or we can even say something like this, like 28 days ago. Yeah, we could do something a little bit different because we've kind of kept it the same. Although, let's verified user. I want to have a little bit of separation between these two here. Right, just like this. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, I really like this one. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so that's cool. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to cut this short today, which kind of really sucks. But yeah, kids or Andrea left with my son Tristan. So my daughter's here, and yeah. So I think we need to. It's not supper time yet, but we have to get some stuff ready because unfortunately I have to cook today, which is okay. Anyways, so that means, yeah, I do got to run. So anyways, we're going to leave it there. So tomorrow, we're going to, like tonight, I'm going to really solidify all of these review sections and hopefully get to the testimonials as well too. And then tomorrow we'll just build them all up within Webflow, or I'll even, if I can get started, I'll get started. But if not, then we'll just do that together on Wednesday. All right. So that's it for me. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for dropping by. And hope you're really plugging away on whatever it is that you're building and whatever it is that you're working on. And yeah, we'll keep working away, and we'll see you tomorrow.